it in this hand so they can't fall out, see?
Yep.
Good job, sweetie.
Yeah, now you put them on the thing.
Can you put some more of those on the train, sweetie?
Dinosaur train.
You put some in
Dinosaur train.
Dinosaur train?
Yeah, that is from Tiny Dog and even the mom and dad dinosaurs.
In my purse, like
That's pretty cool. Where are they going on their train? Are they going to the North Pole? Is this the North Pole Express? Where are they going on their
Going to My Little Pony's house.
Oh, that's cool. Is that good?
Can you put some more on the train?
No, we're just about done, aren't we? Oops.
We need a couple more on this side.
Is this
A couple more over here.
Let's see. Like which one should you pick? Patty
Say hi, Dad.
Patty cake baker's man.
Hi.
Make me a cake.
Smile for the camera.
Says you can roll it, pat it, mark it with a cheese and top.
And what are Grammy's thoughts on this fine occasion?
I think it's wonderful. It's coming along very nicely.
Okay.
Sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
Everything's okay.
Everything is awesome.
Well,
Everything is cool when you're making a train. Say hi, Jenny.
Train is bound for glory, this train. This train.
Say hi, Jenny and Auntie Sharon.